Hi, and welcome to OnSpot. Today we are going to talk about creating demographic audiences. Demographic audiences are built using household demographic and customer loyalty data points attached to a mobile ad ID or MAID. This enables the OnSpot platform to provide both geographic and demographic characteristics, including age, gender, financial information, interests, and more to further enhance the insights, targeting, and reporting value of your audience. OnSpot's demographic data is household-level data and not broad zip code-level data that you may receive elsewhere. Our tool allows you to create local, regional, and national audiences from hundreds of household-level data elements using an easy-to-navigate menu to select your target attributes. Additionally, the system interactively delivers audience sizing for further customization. Now you might be wondering, how does the demographic selector work when I'm selecting many different characteristics? Within the same selection category, such as age, it uses OR logic, so it matches any household with any of the selected items. For example, age 18 to 24, or 25 to 39, or 30 to 34. Within different selection categories, such as age and gender, it is AND logic, so it only matches the households that contain all of the selected items. For example, age 18 to 24 and female and one or more children in the household. Now, let's get started on building a demographic audience. First, go to the audience icon on the top left of the screen and click Create Demographic Audience. The first step is to select the geography for your audience. You can create your geographic targeting by selecting state, MSA, which are cities and metro areas, zip codes, or postal carrier routes, often used by direct mail providers. Next, click through the demographic, interests, purchase intenders, financial, ethnicity, charity, political, and/or political district tabs to create your audience with your desired refinements. There will be a separate video to discuss the political selection options. Now for a note on field selection for demographic audiences. To improve campaign performance, it is important to keep the audience broad enough to achieve the reach and scale necessary if you are planning to activate this audience for a marketing campaign, while still being targeted to the desired customer persona you want to reach. The more fields you select, the smaller the audience will be. Audiences less than 5,000 devices may not be accepted by a DSP or social media platform, so keep that in mind as you are building out your segments. We're going to create a female outdoor enthusiast audience in Colorado. For my geography, I'm going to select the entire state of Colorado. For demographics, I'm going to select females, all ages 18 to 69. For interests, I'm going to select camping, fishing, running, snow skiing, and walking. Next, I will click Get Count to see how many devices fit my selection criteria. It looks like a little over 240,000. Now I will give my audience a name, any required tags, and click Create Audience. After processing, I will now be able to generate reports, publish, utilize audience extensions, and serve an advertising campaign to this group of female outdoor enthusiasts in Colorado. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for a video covering political audiences and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more OnSpot data videos.